You want to buy some clothes that suit you, but you cannot express yourself in Japanese? Watch this video on how to buy some clothes with satisfaction using onomatopoeia. Hi, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. After trying on some clothes, what do you usually say? When the clothes are bigger, do you say 服が大きかった? Or clothes which are smaller, do you say 服が小さかった? Instead of saying that, you should use some onomatopes to give more specific descriptions to a salesperson or your friends. Onomatopes are very useful expressions to let them know how big or how small the clothes are or what size fits you. Without any further ado, let's learn some onomatopes used in buying clothes. First of all, Dabo Dabo. When you try on a piece of clothing and you feel like it's bigger than you expected, Dabo Dabo is a word to use. This word is used when a piece of clothing doesn't fit you because it's too big. For example, when try on clothes you picked in a store and they turned out to be larger than you expected, you surely want to get smaller ones. Here's what you could say. この服はダボダボなので小さい服が欲しい。この服はダボダボなので小さい服が欲しい。This means I want to get smaller ones because these ones are too big for me. Number 2. Buka Buka. This word is also used when something is bigger than you expected and doesn't fit you. But this word is mainly used for shoe sizes. For example, you put on the shoes which you wanted and try to walk around. Oh, they are too big and uncomfortable to walk into. In this case, you could say この靴はブカブカで歩きにくい。この靴はブカブカで歩きにくい。Which means these shoes are too big and difficult to walk with. Number 3. Yuru Yuru. This word is also used when something doesn't fit you because it's too big. However, this word means loose and is used for pants and jeans. If you put on the pants you were about to buy and they turn out to be bigger than expected, you could say このズボンはゆるゆるでベルトをしないと履けない。このズボンはゆるゆるでベルトをしないと履けない。Which means these pants are too loose and cannot wear them without a belt. Number 4. Patsupatsu and Pichipichi. Contrary from the previous words, Patsupatsu and Pichipichi are almost the same meaning and used when clothes are too tight for you. For example, when you put on your jeans and you realize that you've gained weight, you could say 太ってしまってジーンズがパツパツだ。太ってしまってジーンズがパツパツだ。Which means the jeans became tight because I got fat. Also, when people are working out in a gym, some of them intentionally wear tight-fitting shirts to show their muscles, which makes you think something like this. 筋肉質の人はよくピチピチの服を着ている。筋肉質の人はよくピチピチの服を着ている。Which means muscle guys tend to often wear tight shirts. These are some Japanese words which are very useful when shopping and could be used along with the onomatopes you have learned today. Number 5. Suratto Shita. If you are tall and have a slim body type and you're looking for clothes that suit you, here's what you should say to the salesperson. スラッとした服を探しています。スラッとした服を探しています。Which means I'm looking for slender clothes. If you want to use this phrase, please make sure to always add the name of the object being referred to after this phrase, Suratto Shita. The last one is Pittari. If you try on pants or clothes and finally find the best fit for you, you may use this word. Once you utter this word, shopping ends with great satisfaction. If your friends or partner have chosen clothes that suit them well, you could say, この服はあなたにぴったりです。この服はあなたにぴったりです。Which means, these clothes definitely fit you. That's it for today's lesson. Various onomatopes were introduced. Were you all able to understand them? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Instead of putting much effort in making Japanese sentences, use the simple words you have learned today and choose clothes which are pittari or perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね!